So here we're working with where all of the water ended up going. The water was only on half of the car, and I think that's because of where the leak was located. There was an issue with the sunroof where it wouldn't close all the way, and water was continuously getting in there. The carpet was basically stained with that green mold, and we had to try to figure out a way to push it out of the fibers of the carpet. So the first thing that we did is use the tornado attachment, which is compressed air that shoots out in a circle, like a tornado almost, and it really gets into the fibers of that cloth and kind of blows out anything that might be in there. And then we'll use our extractor soap on it, and we'll actually use the extractor, which shoots hot water into the carpet, to get the carpet a little bit more wet. We'll use our drill brush to agitate all of that soap. I think I actually got probably 95% to 99% of the water out.